Rule 6, can I object to a search while I'm on probation? Well, the answer is yes and no. Sure, you can object to the search, especially, for example, let's say a probation officer comes over for an unannounced visit and they're not suspicious of anything, but you happen to have a large amount of drugs laying around the house. You don't want the probation officer to come in. You can object to that search and say, you can't search without a warrant. Now, they could push their way in. The vast majority of probation officers that I know will not, risk their own life and limb trying to push their way in. They're going to violate your probation. They're probably going to go get an officer with them, and they're going to find a way to come in the house with or without a search warrant. Could you later file some sort of motion to suppress that search in an attempt to keep out whatever they found or could find? And of course, you can do that. Talk to your counsel. You can object to any eventual items that may have been found in what you believe to be an illegal search. The problem is that if a probation officer asks to search, you have in Rule 6 given your permission to search. You have said that you will not object. You have given your consent to search with or without a warrant. So, could you argue that you had to have a warrant? Sure, you could make that argument as to the new charges of whatever they may find in the house. When the probation officer wants to violate your probation based on not consenting to a search, you're going to have a significant problem with that. Jeff Goldtrap, Survive and Thrive on Probation, Rule 6. Thanks.